from Mackinac City. We are hopping on the ferry soon and going to the island and staying the night. It's my first night I've ever spent on the island, and this is your first time. In Upper Michigan, actually.
It's my first time to Michigan as a whole, so
we're doing great.
First day.
Yes, we dropped off our luggage, parked our car, did all the logistical things, and now we're going to enjoy. So please enjoy the rest of this weekend, or I guess end of the weekend, whatever it is. Checked into our hotel. You will see this video of why Madison is sitting over there in a minute. But we had the craziest thing happen. Capital One
sucks.
Capital One sucks. They literally like forgot to process our reservations, so we showed up to the front desk and they're like, yeah, we can't find it. Then we were here for like an hour before we like got into our room, and eventually we had to get upgraded to a room, and now we have this really awesome room. So Madison's gonna lead the tour because she's done tying her thing. Oh. But this is like when we first walked in, and we have literal keys, actually. Like, keys. I've never been to a hotel without other keys. And then, lead us that way.
Okay.
This is the best part of the room.
I feel like a real estate agent. So we have a jacuzzi tub, which Jess and I will be enjoying in swimsuits.
Yes, of course. We have like beautiful lighting here. Like, so beautiful. This is like a shower, I think, is right here, right?
There's a shower.
And then there.
It's very vintagey, so we have the sky painted in here.
And little babies.
Those are angels.
Angel babies.
Angel babies.
Angel babies.
Our king-size bed, which we got upgraded from a queen, so now I can't cuddle Jess as close. It's fine.
Darn.
And then we are right downtown on the main street. And this is our little balcony.
It's so cute. And we are on the second floor, but I would just like to show you that.
It's not very far up.
Not very second floor. And it's obviously nighttime here, but this is gonna look so cute in the morning. Yeah, we're probably gonna go get a drink. So that's our plan.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for enjoying our little room tour.
Do not book with Capital One Capital One Travel.
Yes.
Do not do that.
And the hotel ended up being super nice because they literally gave us like the upgrade for free. And literally
and actually 25% off the room.
Yeah. So we actually saved money. Hopefully if Capital One refunds us correctly.
Fingers crossed that Capital One actually refunds us.
Yes.
But yeah, this is the Murray Hotel, Murray.
Yes.
Right on the main street of Mackinac Island, and we highly recommend.
Yes, so cute. So we're gonna go to Pink Pony. So cheers, y'all.
Cheers.
Good morning from Mackinac Island. We are on the island, obviously.
This is day 2.
This is day 2. We woke up this morning, Maddie got some coffee.
Yum.
And now we're gonna do a carriage tour, do a little bike tour. It is gorgeous and sunny here, even from someone that is used to like 100 degrees in the summertime, so.
Yes. It's a nice, even like 70 degrees outside. We've got horse carriages all over. We woke up this morning to the sound of horses clomping by, so so beautiful, so peaceful, so wonderful. There's like flowers everywhere. Super excited. Let's go get on a horse carriage and we'll meet you there.
Yes, see you soon. Just let me open.
Welcome back to the vlog. We are currently on the horse carriage ride around the island.
Perfect, okay. Hello.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. We got off the first leg of our carriage tour. We were hanging with Salt and Ted. Those were our horses' names. And they did end up letting us pet them too, so it was kind of nice.
Yay!
And now we're gonna go look at the forge I was gonna say Forge Armory, but it's Forge a Memory.
Yeah, it's the blacksmith shop where they shoe all of the horses. And then I think we're gonna go over to the stables and pet some horses as well and love on them a little bit.
Yes, and it's still a beautiful day here, and the day is still young, so we'll see y'all pretty soon. We just got off of our carriage tour, part 2 and part 1, and now we're heading to the Grand Hotel. Our tour was awesome. We went to Arch Rock, we went past a cemetery, it was like gorgeous in the woods. So yeah.
Pet lots of the beautiful horsies.
Yes, we did. And still beautiful, still perfect, so I think this is probably one of the last things we're doing before we head off the island. So if you see anything else, then we didn't plan on it. This is the real test. The girl who was saying that 70-degree water is too cold is about to try a little bit of Lake Huron.
I'm from the desert. What do you expect? Too cold.
Too cold.
Too cold for life. It's not that bad, actually. I don't want to be a drama queen. It's not that bad, but like my fingertips were in it. So like if my whole body was in it, I'd be like,
no bueno.
No bueno. I'll take my tropical water.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.
Good morning. We are in Frankenmuth, Michigan, because that is a Michigan special for the last day that you were in Michigan. So
Yes.
she started with coffee and we ate cheese curds, which is a very interesting combination. But
A very Michigan thing I found. And Michigan, I don't understand why you charge extra for ranch. I am personally offended.
We have stopped at 2 places. Yesterday when we ate on Mackinac Island, we got charged for ranch, and I was like, we literally don't usually charge for ranch, I swear, but we just haven't been very lucky in our choices of restaurant and ranch.
These Michiganders.
And like literally ranch is a Midwest thing, so it's kind of funny.
I feel like I eat a ton of ranch, and I am not from the Midwest, so
It's fair.
maybe I just automatically fit. Kindred spirits, me in the Midwest. All right, we're about to go explore this little German town.
Yes, we're going to the River Place, we're going to Bronner's, we're gonna eat Zender's chicken, so here's the start of an awesome last day in Michigan. So in this last clip,
There
you
we go,
saw.
that looks better.
Oh yeah, you saw us doing wine tasting because it was $9 for 6 pours, and
Which is insanely cheap. In Portland, it's like $25 to $45 for 4 or 5 little glasses.
yeah. So in other words, we are very much intoxicated.
Okay, we're good.
We end up doing 2 tastings. We split the second one, and literally Cindy and Michael talked to us. They were the people that were doing the wine tasting.
They were wonderful.
We were there for like 2 hours. They're amazing people, and I ended up buying a bottle of wine. So the original plan was to drive
Currently
to Zenders.
trying to get a stain out of my shirt.
Oh yeah,
Sorry, that's
you also
why it
tried
looks,
barbecue sauce.
It's buffalo sauce.
Oh, buffalo sauce. And
Yeah. Cherry Republic, great buffalo sauce. This wipe smells terrible. Tide to go wipes do better. You guys suck. This is disgusting, and it's probably full of chemicals. I'm just changing my shirt. We're done.
We're done. But we were gonna drive to Zenders, but that is no longer an option. So
We're walking.
We're walking, and we're gonna go get some food and hopefully sober up a little bit. So cheers to an amazing wine tasting and soon to be amazing food. Why are you still smelling it?
Well, because I was hoping it was gonna get better. I was like, if you smell it more, it's gonna get better.
No,
It kind of does.
The case. Oh, really?
No, it kind of
Can you
does
smell
it. Keep smelling. Keep again.
No. Okay. In other words, we're done.